Welcome everyone to our class. Today in our class we will discuss about the same chapter, transport and communications, and today our topic is communications. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you know that communications, what is that mean? Communications generally are method through which we share informations with each other. Okay, it can be face to face talk, it can be telephone call, reading a book, watching a television, and right now I'm giving a lecture of communications, or I'm taking a class with this video. So this is all are the communications, and every living things communicate with each other. Okay, in the past human also communicate like the animals use the sound, and human also, before human also use sign language. Okay, sign language and gesture for communicate. They don't know how to talk in that time, so they use the sign language. Okay, and you can say like a baby when they cry, that means they have any problem and they want attentions. That is also one type of communications. Any animals make sound, okay, that is also a type of communications, their type of communications. Okay, and in the road, traffic light or board, that is also one type of communications. Okay, but because of our superior intelligence, we developed our own unique way of communications. That means we are talking with a specific language, and in the world there is so many kind of languages there. Okay, so different language we use are result of this supreme intelligence of human. Only this is possible because of human intelligence. And the idea of mass communications come with the inventions of printing machines. Okay, and mass communications means, what is that means? Mass communications means when you share any informations throughout so many peoples in one time, at a time. That is called actually mass communications. Like as an example, any news you can see in televisions, not only you, each and everyone, whoever they watch that news, they will get that knowledge about that news. In a radio, if all of you hear the same news, okay, books, so these all are the mass communications. Okay, mass communications. And the inventions of radio, television, cinema, internet, these are the huge mass communications, a helping hand. And internet, where the giant live in the field of communications. Okay, now we will know about one by one this printing, radio, televisions, internet, satellite, each and everything. Okay, first we will know about the printing. What is that? When the printing machine invented in the year 1443 by Hans Gutenberg in Germany, it continue one of the most popular means of communications. Okay, like the books, magazine, newspaper, letters, which we see all around us, is a result of printing. Your book is printed, your magazine, newspaper, all are the printed. So they all are the very important source of information. So this is about the printing. You have to remember the printing machine invented in 1443 by Hans Gutenberg. Okay, next one is radio. Radio, the Indian scientist Jagdish Chandra Bose was the first person who proved that radio signal can travel long distance. After that, an Italian scientist, Guglielmo Guglielmo Marconi invented the radio based on this theory. Okay, so it is one of the cheapest means of mass of communications, and in India, All India Radio or the Akashvani is the official radio broadcaster stations. Okay, And after that it is an this All India Radio or Akashvani established in India 1936. After that in India there are so many FM channels are there, and they produce different kind of programs. Okay, news they also share. So this is all about radio. So from here you have to remember that the first Indian scientist Jagdish Chandra Bose proved that the radio waves can travel, signals can travel the long distance. Next, number 2, an Italian scientist Guglielmo Marconi invented the radio. Next, Indian official radio stations is All India Radio and Akashvani, and it was established in 1936. So these are the things you have to remember from the radio. Next topic is cinema. Cinema is a very important media of communications. Nowadays, all of the people enjoy the cinemas, right? And almost every state of India have film industry, which produce different kind of film, like the social film, like cultural, educational, entertainment value. So this is we see in cinemas. Okay. Next one is televisions. The first television was made in 1926. Now, television is the most important or the popular mass of communications, and India, the official broadcaster stations in India, that is Doordarshan. Okay, and we have also access others channels all over the world. Okay, and televisions help us to keep in touch with all the happening in the world. We can know easily, and we can easily visualize that what kind of things happened there when we see the in that incident in the visually or video you can see in the televisions. Okay, you can easily visualize actually what happened there. Okay, so this is, and the several television channel also broadcast news, educational program, entertainment programs, etc. Okay, now this is most important, internet. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer network. Okay, you can see the picture. Whenever you want any informations about anything, you can easily find out from the internet. That is why the internet is known as information superhighway. Okay, internet is known as information superhighway because you can easily find out what you want to know. Okay, so this is all about the internet. Next one is satellite communications. Satellite are the electronic device that are sent to the space through the rocket. Okay, and these satellites revolve around our planet Earth, and they receive transmit signals. Then it is through this that we are able to see any live program like live cricket or football match, wherever it taking in, wherever in the world it's going on, the live cricket match or football match, you can easily on that time. Okay, and televisions and computer signals are also sent through this communication satellite. Okay, and India's first artificial satellite was Aryabhatta. Okay, so from here you have to remember that satellite is an electronic device that's sent to the space with the help of rocket, and this satellite revolved around the earth, and when they revolve around the earth, they received and transmit the signal, and through this you can easily when they send the signals into the earth, you can easily watch any live programs like in cricket match, football match, or any kind of concert you can easily watch. Okay, so and also in the televisions and computer signals are also sent through this type of communication satellite. Okay, and Indian first satellite was Aryabhatta. Okay, so this is all about satellite communications, and as well as this is all about the communications from the chapter transport and communications. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. If you have any problem, any queries, please comment me below, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.